how is the life-saving sports event going on in Goa? What sort of participation have you got at the national level and at the local level?
Well, Neeraj, this is the second time we are here, and we are really happy with the participation. Apparently, Goa came in quite late, but then yesterday we had the day one of pool events, and they were very happy because they won medals. As you understand, life saving is a mixture of swimming skills and life saving skills. So, what happens is we, as a motive and as a goal of the society, we are creating lifesavers. So having life-saving sports in all parts of the country is what we are on the mission. And all these lifesavers will come from across the country. We have about 11 states participating this year, and about 300 participants had given confirmation. This is the pool events, and from here we are moving to Malvan for the beach and ocean events. So the test of the lifesavers are done in the pool and as well as in the uh, beach and ocean.
Right.
So that's happening tomorrow and day after, actually.
Any local participants were here?
Yes, we had a good response from this pool itself, and the coach was very good enough to send the participation actually, and they had filled in the form a day prior to the registration, and we got about 20.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good start for Goa.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Overall, now the challengers who have come here, what is next for them? Do they get to participate at the international level?
Oh
later
yes, let me also tell you that this is not just an Indian event. This life saving sport started back in 2003, wherein this was basically created for lifeguards to keep them pepped up, and to have some recognition for them.
on?
So what happened is it started evolving as a sport, and it has come into the world championships now. So there are two events which happens on internationally. One is the world championship that happens every 2 years, and then there's a Commonwealth Life Saving Festival. These are two very big international platforms wherein we have lifesavers from all over the world coming and participating, and it's a very big platform to display the skills and the stalwarts of life saving.
Right.